有90%嘅同學仔都唔知道，原來自己一直用錯咗同 window 有關嘅 preposition。Number one 最大嘅誤區梗係 look at the window 啦。例如想講搭巴士嗰陣時望風景，大部分同學都會講 look at the window， 其實真正意思係你眼定定咁望住個窗，邊個會咁做啊？大家真係想表達嘅應該係透過個窗睇出去，即係 look through the window。比較 informal 嘅咧，亦都可以講 look out the window 嘅。不過咧，一般 DSE 同學咧，我哋都建議用 look through the window 嘅，咁就比較穩陣啲，唔會俾人扣通分啊嘛。另外一個同學仔好中意亂咁用嘅咧，就係 on the window 啦。查實咧，你知唔知原來用 on the window 嘅機會率咧係非常之低㗎？因為除非你真係想表達有隻貓坐咗喺窗上面嗰啲窗框度啦，或者你真係實際黐啲嘢上個窗度，好似我哋農曆新年啊、聖誕節啊貼揮春啊、貼窗飾落去個窗度咧。除此以外咧，其實都真係唔啱嘅。另外同我哋咧成日用嘅咧，the window 咧，其實佢真正嘅意思咧，真係只局限於用咧某人企喺窗邊嘅意思嘅。例如 Dad is standing at the window 就係話阿爸企喺窗邊。另外一個喺窗邊嘅表達方式咧，就係 by the window 啦。咁就有個人咧企喺窗邊，所以用 by 都係 OK 嘅。最後記住 on the window 真係黐上個窗表面咁解。Look at the window 就齋望住道窗。At 或者 by the window 就係企喺個窗邊，最後係 look through the window 先至最啱，講嘅係望穿秋水睇出個窗，所以下次寫 writing 嗰陣時記住呢幾句就保證唔會再踩雷失分啦。